Elk hunting is hard. Public land elk hunting is even harder.
Woke up this morning, sky was gray as my luck. Coffee was cold and my old truck got stuck. Bills on the table, dreams.
Now, if you stopped watching right now, all you'd know is a tag was punched. What you would miss is the story about an elk season with failures and perseverance that started with archery equipment in Washington State and ended with a rifle in Montana. We started this journey traveling to the coast of Washington, chasing Roosevelts in the jungle.
And you put your cheeks on the other side of it. I don't mess with this. What's this dude? He's doing the right side. This could come down at any moment. Oh, get your water,
As you can see, where we are hunting is a true jungle. It is very thick. So we're covering country, looking for sign, and relying on calling to locate these elk. Over nearly a week of chasing Roosevelt elk, they did not live up to their reputation. Every time we had close encounters, we had a bull with cows, we would play the game of cow calls, then escalating to bugles and maybe some raking. Every time they tuck-tailed and ran the opposite direction. It was not going as planned. The elk didn't want to cooperate with the calling game, so we switched the playbook and started glassing. Luckily, an opportunity presented itself. I'm the cameraman, so I'm up on a perch glassing a bunch of open cuts, and Josh, the tag holder, went over the hill to glass another cut, and he disappeared for a while, and this bull popped out. So I'm frantically trying to run down the hill, go grab him. I'm waving my arms, telling him to get his butt over here because this is a legal bull and it's time to make a play. From where I'm at to the bull is about 600 yards. There is a logging road from me to the bull that Josh can take to cut the distance, and the wind looks like it will be in his favor by the time he gets over there. He will lose sight of the bull probably halfway through, which is good because the bull won't see him either. I chose to sit tight with the camera, use hand signals to guide Josh as needed, and film the whole thing from a distance. At this point, I knew Josh was in trouble. Something changed with the body language of that bull. He was looking right up at Josh. I know Josh gave me the play-by-play. He was ranging, and he felt like the bull heard the click of his rangefinder. He might have saw some movement. He was checking the wind didn't swirl. Something happened, that bull had him pinned. I was sitting there feeling helpless 600 yards away, so I grabbed my cow call, tried to give a couple cow calls on a reed. He wanted nothing to do with that. I put that reed through a bugle tube, trying to get some more volume. That bull was ignoring me. He had Josh pinned. As you can see, that bull decided, I want nothing to do with that Ginger and his bow. So he turned and took steps, of course, out of frame, and I'm sitting there with my binos, not being a good camera guy, did not get the first shot on film. Now, if you've ever shot a bow, you know that every yard counts. Josh had that bull ranged at 30 yards. That was before the bull spooked, took a couple bounds away, looked back broadside, and at that point, Josh had to make a split decision. Do I range or do I send it? He put his 50-yard pin on the bull and let it fly. When the bull presented a second shot, Josh put a 60-yard pin on the bull and let it fly. As you can see here, it's low. Turns out it was 72 yards. Now this is the struggle with bow hunting. The shot was not on film. Josh was shooting a lighted nock, which definitely helped. He felt very solid about his shot, and he was right. He hit that bull. We were able to find his arrow. We found blood. And later we were able to review the footage and saw that the bull was hit high and it was a non-lethal shot. We spent a lot of time blood trailing, tracking. This bull was going to be just fine. It just did not come together as you would like, and this is why hunting with a bow is so tough. Josh put his Washington hunt behind him and a month later was off to Montana. Little did he know he was going to be off to a worse start than he could have imagined.
We are on a recovery mission right now. A good buddy of mine drew a Montana elk and deer tag. He's over there hunting right now. Originally I was going to try to go with him and film and help him out, but work and family just didn't work out. Well, a couple days into his hunt, I get a picture from him, and his pickup truck basically blew out a seal on his axle. And no thanks to Ford, the dealership says it's going to take 2 weeks to fix. We have no loaner car to give you. We can't give you a tow back to your home state of Washington because policy doesn't allow that, and there's no rental cars in town. So he hit me up. I was able to shuffle some things around and at least get over there for 2 days to help hunt, film, and then drag him and his trailer home. So hopefully we have an animal recovery to try to do later, but as of right now it's a go get him and his things and get him home after maybe something hits the ground. Let's see.
When Josh drew his Montana elk tag, he did some e-scouting and threw a dart at a map. He was able to make it out once before season to do some scouting, but other than that, this was all new country. His uncle had drawn a deer tag in Montana, so was able to tag along and help Josh with his hunt. They had a solid plan of attack until Josh's rig was decommissioned. They had no backup rig and were staying at an Airbnb in town, so their only way to get around was a side-by-side, and that greatly limited where they could go hunt. Once I got to town, we knew we had limited time to make it happen, so we set out and started covering country.
Come on, man. There we go. There it is.
gone by dark. Truck, no rent, light bill car. I'm standing in line with a card half full, counting up coins, stretching this bull. Big man on TV said we're doing just fine. Stock charts climb while I fall behind. He says, cut back boy, learn to save. From a house so big it echoes when it prays. You don't know that 3 a.m. stare at a stack of bills in an empty chair.
Alright, so we're up here glassing. We saw a couple hunters come in below us, and they're in an area where we were planning on shooting something, which is a saddle between dark timber and some feed. And we have been watching some bucks that are pretty close to where these guys are posted up. And I can't help but wonder, like, if they saw this buck, would they shoot it or not? I mean, it's a 3x3, probably a 2.5-year-old, decent buck. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So there's these hunters. And then the buck. See if I can find him. He's up over here. Somewhere, give me a sec.
Tell me how to live. If you don't feel this grind, don't preach what I should give.
This is our last day to hunt, and it is time to make it happen. We were covering country and happened to run into a herd that had just been pushed off private up into some ground that we could hunt. We did not see any legal bulls in there, but we didn't see all the elk, and we had an idea of where they were heading.
Are you serious right now? Are you serious, Josh? Oh yeah. Did that just happen? Come on, say no. You're freaking kidding me right now. I'm like, shit. You're welcome for your guidance. We're just fucking go off this damn trail right here. Holy shit. Can we call Kevin and get him right now? Look at all these elk. First time I don't bring my call Kevin. Dude, there's so many elk right here. Oh yeah, he's like right there. Hell yeah, dude. When we were walking up in here, I was like, there is so much sign.
Got some last day mojo. Had nothing but bad luck this whole trip. My trailer broke down, my truck broke. It's the last day, it's the last morning. And we see some elk. And I just shot a bull. Oh, and I can't believe it. Oh man. Just walking up to it now. There's just no emotion. This is my first one with a rifle. Kevin went another way. Rusty's went back to get his pack. So stoked. Oh man. It's been a trip for the ages here.
Fight time!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dude,
I'm just glad you left the side by
he's got 3 on that tip right there. It's almost like crowned out. He's got like a crown on that side. That's awesome.
Got a drop time in the front. What?
Seriously?
Well, we got a drop.
Dude, look at that top though. That is awesome.
Josh, God, I almost shot at.
Look at the size of that body.
This is huge.
Are you kidding me right now?
Holy.
I walked down here and the elk was staring at me. There's another bull, illegal bull that was well, not as big as him, but there was another illegal bull.
There was one that was a spike with a little.
Oh, up there?
Yeah,
You saw?
right by the side. Yeah.
Dude, all those elk came right through
Right,
on
dude.
us.
And then I came and they were still standing over here.
That tip
Nice
is just
one,
crazy.
Josh. That's awesome.
I literally had to shoot right behind the cow's ass. Like there was like this
Just thread the
big
needle.
window, yeah.
Hey, you got a crown.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome. That crown's awesome.
yeah.
Got the hook rod though. Where'd you hit him?
I think I drilled it. Well, he was turning the other way.
Right back in.
No, I hit him pretty good.
Oh, that's awesome.
Because he was like right there and kind of just stumbled back down this way. Jesus.
Oh, you got one too, yeah. Cheers. Slip it in the pie.
So here's the exit. Look at this offside. Danger zone right here.
Oh my gosh.
That's crazy.
Look at that shot placement. Man.
What were you shooting? I know what round. What were your bullets?
Barnes GS6.
Yeah. 25. That's awesome. Hold on, I got it. That's crazy. Dude, that's like
Yeah, Bun Ferris on that, guys.